Lou here of Lulu's Little Shop. Here's a super quick tutorial on how to use 2 different colors within 1 round of stitches. Get your 2 colors ready. I have white here for the rice and black for nori. And you can use any color you like for round 1. That's going to be the filling in here. At the end of round 1, I had you mark the seamless finish loops. For round 2, you're going to start by inserting your hook into the marked stitch. Take out the stitch marker. And we're going to start with white. Yarn over and drop a loop of white. Then we're going to chain 1 in white, drop the white without cutting, pick up black, yarn over, and drop a loop in the black. These chains are going to look like the first half double crochet. And then we're going to continue in the next stitch and make 2 half double crochets all the way around. That's going to be 11 pairs. And then we're going to end with 1 more half double crochet in the first stitch where we drew up that loop of white. So we're going to start in the next stitch, and each of these half double crochets is going to have a white post with black loops on top. And to make each half double crochet stitch, we're going to start with the white. Always drop the black to the back and white to the front to prevent tangling. So we're going to start each stitch in white, make the first part of a half double crochet stitch, starting the next stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, and drop a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Drop the white to the front and pick up the black. Yarn over with the black and pull through all 3 loops on your hook to complete that first half double crochet stitch. Now you have the white post and black on top. Drop the black to the back, pick up the white, and make another half double crochet stitch into that same stitch. Yarn over with white, insert your hook into that same stitch, yarn over with the white, and drop a loop. Drop the white to the front, pick up black, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops on your hook to end with black on your hook. Drop the black to the back, pick up white, and make 2 half double crochets all the way around. And once you get the hang of it, this actually goes pretty quickly. All right, so now we've made 11 pairs of half double crochet stitches, 1 in each stitch round, and then we're going to make 1 more half double crochet stitch in the first stitch where we drew up that loop of white. Now you can cut the white and continuing in black, slip stitch to the first half double crochet of the round. And see here, together the beginning chains and that last individual one half double crochet together are going to look like another pair of half double crochets, just like all the other stitches around. And here is what the front looks like. Here's the back. And that's how you make 2 different colors in 1 round of stitches. And I forgot to mention that these makis have magnets in them, so they're super fun to play with. And you can also use them individually as fridge door magnets. And again, you can find the complete PDF in my Etsy shop, link in the description box below. And I have Amazon shopping links directly in the PDFs for where I got these magnets. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.